Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Know-upsc. In this video, we are going to cover all papers and question patterns of UPSC mains. So, at first, there is language papers which are only qualifying, which means you need only 75 marks out of 300 in both papers. Firstly is of Indian languages which are mentioned in 8th schedule, and secondly is compulsory is English. There will be 3 hours. You need to give exam in 3 hours, and the total questions paper the questions will be asked based on comprehension, precise writing, grammar, vocabulary, translation, short essay. Again in English, comprehension, precise writing, grammar, vocabulary, short essay. All questions are compulsory to attempt. Words will be mentioned in papers, like for precise you need to attempt 100 to 150 words. Translation again, essay 250 to 300 words, or others as per context. For essay paper, these papers are merit based, which means they will be counted in your merit results. Marks are equal for each exams are 250 marks. Again timings would be of 3 hours durations, but shifts would differs. In essay paper, you will get 8 essay topics in 4 essay in section 1, 4 essay in section B, and you need to only attempt 2 essays, one from section A and one from section B, but you need to give words of 1000 to 1500 words you need to write for each essay. Second paper is GS1, GS2, GS3 and GS4. In GS1, the subjects would be Indian heritage and culture, history and geography of the world and society, which means there are history, geography and society, also culture, art and culture. GS paper subjects are polity, governance, constitution and IR. Paper 3 subjects are economy, agriculture, science and tech, economy, security, disaster management. GS4 subjects are ethics, integrity and aptitude. Lastly, there are only optional papers which you have chosen. In GS paper 1, in all GS paper, there are section 1 and sections B, which means of 10 questions each section. Of in section 1 you get of per question 10 marks, and section B per question 15 marks. Just word limit differs in this. For 10 marks you need to write 150 words, and for 15 marks you need to write 250 words. Questions would be 20, and all are compulsory to attempt to qualify this exam. You need to practice a lot on answer writing for mains. In at last, for optional papers, usually 8 questions will be asked, varies by subjects. 5 questions as per subject instructions, and 5 questions in paper 2 of optional subject. Again in this, for 10 marks 150 words, and for 15 marks 250 words. So total summary would be of total mains papers are 9, 2 qualifying and 7 merit based. Total marks is 1750. Qualifying marks are just 25%. Marks of qualifying papers not counted in final merit. Merit based papers are essay paper, 4 GS paper and 2 optional subjects of 1750 marks. All questions in GS paper are compulsory. Word limits are approximate. Quality, content, structure, examples, presentation and time management are very important. which means you need to practice a lot on answer writing. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you and all the best.